So today we are in District 11, Walton Estate, and we'll be looking at a development that not many people are aware of. It's called the Arcadia. Currently I'm driving along Arcadia Road, which at the end of this road is where the Arcadia is located. For now, can we just take a moment and just look on the outside, look on the scenery. It's so beautiful. It almost feels like I've entered an enchanted forest or gone back in time to a more peaceful and serene Singapore. I can already tell why this development is going to be a big hit for people who are looking for a tranquil home surrounded by lush greeneries. So the Arcadia is a 99 years leasehold project built back in 1983. This project only has a total of 164 units, and yet it sits on a massive land size of over 400,000 square feet. Let me put it into perspective. In new launches nowadays, if you have a land size of over 400,000 square feet, this new launch will probably have 10 times the number of units here. So just imagine how peaceful this development is going to be. So with such huge land size, this condo comes with various facilities. Just to name a few, it has 3 tennis courts, a futsal court, a dance studio, gym, swimming pool, and several other facilities. All the units here in the Arcadia are relatively huge, with the smallest unit already at over 3,500 square feet and the largest ones are over 7,500 square feet. Today, I'll be bringing you to look at a 3,757 square feet unit, sits on a single floor plate, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, plus helper's room with an additional entertainment area. So with the sheer size of this unit, and if your family requires more bedrooms for use, it is entirely possible to alter this unit to become a 5-bedroom unit, which I'll explain later in this video. So welcome to this unit, come on in. So firstly, as you enter this unit, you are first greeted with this beautiful foyer area. Now this foyer area actually acts as a gallery for you to display all your designer ornaments, your designer sculptures, your art collections, basically what you can really expect from any other luxurious home. So just by looking at this space here, you will notice that this unit is beautifully done up, and that is because my owner actually poured in more than $500,000 into the renovation of this unit. Renovation was done just about 4 years back, so you can rest assured that no further renovation is required. Just simply pack your bag and you're ready to move in. Now moving past this beautiful foyer area would be the dining hall. I mean, just look at the size of this dining hall. This right here is an 18-seater dining table. Now tell me, when was the last time you see a house in Singapore that's able to fit in such a humongous dining table? It's just impressive. Now talking about humongous dining table, a very unique feature about this development is that each of the block here actually have its own cargo lift. So if you intend to bring in large pieces of furniture into this unit, designer sculptures or even a statue, you will be able to do so without any issue at all. So as I mentioned earlier, if your family requires an additional bedroom, you can consider partitioning half of this living hall and turning this space here into your 5th bedroom. And rest assured, even with this configuration, you will still have sufficient space for a living hall right here. So next to the dining hall would be the living area. Living space is ginormous. Wall-to-wall length is about 6.5 meters. Just by looking at the space here, I think you could probably fit in another 18-seater sofa. So video wall has been done up by my owner. So usually to have such a huge living space, the distance between the sofa and the TV would be quite far apart. So it would not be justifiable to have any TV that's smaller than this. So behind the sofa is actually what's most beautiful and impressive about this house. This right here is a backlit Italian onyx marble feature wall. It transforms light into a warm and elegant glow. So just imagine having a movie night in this setting, in this atmosphere. It's just spectacular. We can act like lovers, snuggle together. Let's take a ride. So now moving on from the living area, this part here I would consider as the highlight of this unit, and just look at this view. I think it pretty much explains why this is the highlight of this unit. Also, this is a north-south orientation unit with this direction facing toward the north, so you can have your alfresco dining here from morning to night, enjoying this spectacular greenery view. Now, another very unique feature about the Arcadia is that it's renowned for its greenery, not just on the outside but on the inside as well. And by the inside, I'm referring to the plants that you are planting outside your balcony. And if you're someone who has green fingers, you'll be delighted to know that residents in Arcadia are actually encouraged to grow plants. The beauty of this development is that they have a fantastic management that maintains it for you every 2 months. You just have to call them and they will come out to trim and maintain the plants for you. Despite being located on a beautiful and quiet road, the condo aren't far from amenities actually. There's a shortcut from the back that takes you to the restaurants and shops at Greenwood Avenue. Over there, you'll be able to find some restaurants, do your grocery shopping, and there are also some convenience stores available. And if you were to walk further down through Walton Estate Road, that is where Tan Kaki MRT station is located. If you drive, Botanic Gardens and Holland Village is just a short drive away, and if you're heading for town, you can get to Orchard Road in about 10 minutes. So coming back into the unit, this is the kitchen. In the kitchen, you have a very nice L-shaped countertop that has been done up for you. Most of the kitchen appliances is already inbuilt for you as well. So right here, you have your dedicated space for your wine cellar, conventional and microwave oven. On this side, a top hung bottom cabinet system, and then your open flame cooker and hob, also an induction cooker. Some preparation counter on that side, and then the sink. So over on the other end, you have additional shelving system for your storage need and a dedicated space for your fridge as well. So over here would be a very beautifully done up Italian marble island table. So this is usually where you can do most of your food preparation at, and this also doubles as a breakfast counter. So with a glass rack on top that has already been done, this can be a good space for you to host your wine and dine. So within the kitchen, you have a powder room for the guests right there, which is also the WC, and over here would be your helper's room. Now into the first common bedroom. With this size, fitting in a king-size bed is definitely possible. You still have plenty of room to put in a bedside table on both sides of the bed, and even that, you still have sufficient space for a study desk. Very nice floor-to-ceiling 5-panel wardrobe has been done as well, and here you have access to the balcony too. So moving on to the second bedroom. This bedroom has the same size as the previous one. Similarly, a king-size bed with plenty of room on both sides of the bed for a bedside table, a study desk on front of the bed, as well as a floor-to-ceiling wardrobe. This room also has its own balcony as well. So next, moving on into the junior master, my owner is currently using this room as their study and work area. So if you want to use this room as a bedroom, I can assure you that there are more than enough space. Even if you do not want to remove the study table, you will still be able to fit in a king-size bed and have plenty of room on both sides to fit in a study desk. So this room comes with its very own ensuite bathroom. Now last but definitely not the least, the master bedroom. Now walking into the master bedroom almost feels like I'm walking into a 5-star hotel. As you enter, on your left, this is the master ensuite. So you have a bathtub here, a separate rain shower here, toilet bowl on that side with a world-class bidet system, and a designer with glass top sink. Now this bathroom almost feels like something that I can see in a resort in Bali. So moving down the hallway of the master bedroom, on this side would be a very modern walk-in wardrobe with proper his and her wardrobe, so you don't have to worry about fighting for space. And now check out this humongous master bedroom. This right here is a king-size bed, and even with the king-size bed fit in right here, you still have sufficient space on that end to fit in the proper office desk and the lounge area on this end. I can tell you very frankly, if you feel like it, you can actually fit in an Alaskan king bed here and still have sufficient space to fit in the lounge area. This space is just massive. Right, so the master bedroom also has its very own balcony, which overlooks the same view as the one in the living area. We have come to the end of this home tour video. All in all, if you're someone who appreciates a serene and tranquil home surrounded by lush greeneries, someone who wishes to escape the hustle and bustle city lifestyle of Singapore, then I'm sure you will love this unit. My name is Jason, and if you'd like to become the new owner for this beautiful and amazing unit, do give me a call and I'll arrange an exclusive viewing just for you.